Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of October 18th, 2016. As always, the charts we show in these presentations are provided to us by Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. And looking at weekly bonds here, you can see bonds have had a nice little rally. They poked marginally below last week's low and then have turned back up. But no point in getting too excited here. The resistance, if they're going to continue to trend down, is around 165, and you can see they haven't been there yet. They also haven't been to support, which is, so let's call it 162.08. They have been lower, just not quite down that far. Now, if they get rolling to the upside, they have both 166.08 and about 168.04 up here as potential targets. I'm not sure what would cause them to rally, though. I mean, we got through the employment report earlier this month, and then the PPI and CPI. I don't know exactly what data there is that could stimulate them to do anything major. Clearly, they look like they're breaking down a little bit out of this sideways pattern, and the momentum indicator does not show any signs of lessening it. But they could go up into this area and actually be a pretty good sell if they were to get up there. I just don't see anything really to drive them right now, and I'm afraid we may be on hold at least until after the election. Stocks, of course, could be in the same situation, and the 2125 area, which is this lower red line here, they've just kind of been either side of it without doing much of anything else. We've got both 2145 here as potential resistance, but they could be up to 2165 here at the middle moving average. And down here brings us to the 2100 level, which is support and also very close to this old swing low here. And that's what makes this kind of interesting. You can see this is kind of rounding out just below this round out here, and our momentum indicator indicates that things are slackening, so this all kind of leads to the potential for a downdraft. The problem here is they won't have to rally very far. I mean, rally high enough to take out these highs here, and it'll look like we possibly have a higher swing low than this, which would tend to indicate a bullish price movement. So, I mean, it's always something, right? But they've been sideways and tight for so long that they're very close to breaking down, and they're also very close to going back up. So, tell me what's going to stimulate them, please. And I think we're looking at the election or later, probably. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved.